Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel where we dive into the world of blockchain, DeFi and crypto. Today we are going to discuss something that's crucial for anyone interested in decentralized finance or DeFi, and that's DeFi wallet development services. We'll cover everything you need to know, from what DeFi wallets are, their features, the development process, to why they are essential for anyone wanting to enter the cryptocurrency market or decentralized finance space. So, if you're thinking of developing your own DeFi wallet or just want to understand how they work, stay tuned. Before starting, you can check our live wallet demo on the top right corner. First, let's start with the basics. What exactly is a DeFi wallet? Simply put, a DeFi wallet is a digital wallet specifically designed to interact with decentralized finance applications. Unlike traditional wallets where a bank or institution controls your funds, a DeFi wallet is non-custodial. This means you and only you have full control over your private keys and therefore your funds. DeFi wallets allow users to store, send, receive, and often even trade crypto assets directly, interacting seamlessly with DeFi protocols. So, why are DeFi wallets important? Well, DeFi has been growing exponentially in recent years. People want more control over their finances, and DeFi wallets give them just that. They offer full control, transparency, and often much lower fees than traditional banking. Plus, with DeFi wallets, users don't have to rely on a centralized authority, which aligns with the core philosophy of blockchain technology: decentralization. This makes DeFi wallets crucial for the future of decentralized finance, as they allow users to access DeFi apps, make trades, participate in staking, and even yield farming. Alright, now let's talk about what makes a good DeFi wallet. Here are the key features every DeFi wallet should have. Non-custodial. As we mentioned, non-custodial means users have control over their private keys. A DeFi wallet must be non-custodial to allow users total autonomy over their funds. Multi-asset support. A good DeFi wallet supports multiple blockchain assets such as Ethereum, Bitcoin, and stablecoins. This ensures users can interact with various protocols and keep a diversified portfolio in one place. Tap browser integration. Many DeFi wallets include an integrated tab browser. This lets users access DeFi applications directly from their wallets, like Uniswap for trading or Aave for lending, without needing additional software. Security features. Security is essential. A DeFi wallet should offer features like two-factor authentication, multi-signature support, and biometric authentication for mobile wallets to ensure maximum safety for users. User-friendly interface. Finally, the UI UX must be intuitive. Crypto can already feel complex, so a smooth, easy-to-use wallet interface is crucial to enhance user experience and drive adoption. Now that we understand what makes a DeFi wallet valuable, let's dive into the development process. The first step is thorough research and planning. This includes identifying the goals of your wallet, the types of assets you'll support, and the user needs. Analyzing the competition and understanding compliance requirements is essential here. Next is choosing blockchain networks. You need to decide which blockchain networks your wallet will support. Ethereum is popular for DeFi, but others like Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, and Solana are becoming increasingly important for cross-chain compatibility. Then comes front-end development. A user-friendly front-end is crucial. This involves developing the design and user interface so that the wallet is accessible and appealing. Often, front-end developers focus on mobile and web-based wallets designs for the ease of use, backend development and smart contract integration. For backend development, you'll need blockchain developers who understand smart contracts, as these enable DeFi functionality like lending and staking. The backend must also support wallet features like transactions and security protocols. Testing and security audits. Testing is crucial to ensure all functionalities work as intended. Security audits, especially for smart contracts, help prevent vulnerabilities and ensure user assets are safe. Deployment and ongoing support. Once everything is set up, the wallet is deployed. But development doesn't stop there. Regular updates, bug fixes, and customer support are all essential to maintaining a strong user base and keeping up with DeFi's fast-paced changes. Security measures in DeFi wallets. Security is at the heart of every DeFi wallet. Given the high stakes, wallet development must include robust security measures. Private key encryption. Private key encryption is essential to ensure that only users can access their funds. Wallets should employ advanced cryptographic methods to secure private keys. Multi-signature support. Multi-signature support adds another layer of protection by requiring multiple keys for a transaction. This is particularly valuable for businesses or joint accounts. Third-party security audits. Lastly, third-party audits from reputable firms ensure that the wallet's smart contracts and security features are robust and reliable. If you are considering developing a DeFi wallet, working with a specialized DeFi wallet development service can be a game changer. Here's why. Expertise and experience. These teams have the technical expertise and experience to handle the complexities of DeFi wallet development, ensuring a smoother, more efficient process. Customization. A development service can customize features based on your needs. Whether you want multi-asset support, special DeFi integrations, or a unique user interface. Ongoing support. With professional support, you'll have access to updates, troubleshooting, and scalability solutions, allowing your wallet to stay competitive in the rapidly evolving DeFi space. And that's it. I hope this video gave you a clear insight into DeFi wallet development services and why they are crucial for anyone serious about entering the DeFi space. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more blockchain and crypto content. Thank you so much for watching.